Then he can. The every do sees of the gentleman. Is my hair looking good? Oh, yeah. It is good, I think. Okay. That's mic test. Mic test. Hello, check. Check 1, 2, 3. Hello. Lights, camera, and action. Hey guys, my name is Yash, and I'm a third year computer science graduating student. Basically, the main purpose of starting this channel is to provide a community support to the student who are willing to come into the blockchain space. From the 1 year, I've been learning about blockchain stuff and Web3. I have been researching on so many things about the cryptos and the blockchain, how the blockchain works from behind. We just see only the trading part of the cryptocurrencies, but how the real product is. So I'm not juggling. I don't know how to make a YouTube video now. Just see. I will be making a proper script about the channel. So the first point is that why I'm making this channel. I'm making this channel to help the people or the students who are willing to come into the Web3 spaces, Web3 or the blockchain space, because the transition is going really rapidly fast, and the need of the developers are still very less. The need of the developer is, I must say, good developers, not every developer. Means that you have done blockchain and you want job. It's not the right thing. You will never get a job. But just learning blockchain, you have to make it very skillful, and you have to do it very very honestly. And you should also make some projects on the blockchain. So the main purpose of making this channel is to make a community of Web3 developers and help them in their blockchain journey. So sharing my journey, how I got into the blockchain or the Web3 space. So when I entered my engineering college, so I made my Twitter account and I just follow Elon Musk. So about 1 year, he was very much talking about so many cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin and Shiba. I think Shiba. I don't know like what he was talking about. But I saw their blockchain and I'm very much inspired from Elon Musk. When I saw he is talking so much about this Dogecoin, I started thinking that he's such a big billionaire. He's he's the number one richest person on this planet. Why he's talking about this thing? Why not me when he's talking about? So I started researching over this topic like blockchain. I made my day whole. I made whole my day to the crypto indexes. What are the price going ups and downs, and I was really fascinated about that. So I saw when Elon Musk tweets about the Dogecoin, it pumps even to 60% to 90%. So I also started investing my money in blockchain, in my small amount of money in the Dogecoin. I also made some. I have also made some of them. थोड़ा सा बनाया, a little money from them. Okay, so I thought, what is behind this blockchain? Why such big CEOs, such big entrepreneurs, such big president, vice president of the companies are topping are talking and investing on them, like Mark Cuban. He's a such he's one of the biggest entrepreneur in this world. Mark Cuban, he owns lots of team, lots of companies. He has invested in so many profitable businesses. Why he's talking about? So I researched on Google, and I got to know about. I previously also know Ethereum, what is Ethereum, but not like that. So I searched about Ethereum. I saw EVM. So in India, what is that EVM? EVM is a electronic voting machine. So all the elections are done through the EVM. All the voting is conducted by the EVM. So I thought, oh, is Indian government really supporting the Ethereum like EVM? So I searched more, and I got to know EVM is not electronic virtual machine. It's Ethereum. It's Ethereum virtual machine, on which the Ethereum runs. Okay, on which the whole Ethereum runs. Oh, I was surprised that there I discovered something new about Ethereum. That Ethereum is on Ethereum virtual machine, like Java runs on Java virtual machine, JVM. So I thought that like Java runs on Java like Java have its language, like Ethereum should also have its language. So I got to know about smart contracts. What are smart contracts? And when I researched more about smart contracts, I got to know that smart contracts are basically a program which is named in the language of blockchain as a smart contracts. And for Ethereum, smart contracts are coded on solidity. See, when I started learning solidity, I will be talking about it in more videos, future videos. But when I started learning solidity, it was very fascinating. The syntax was totally different. The functions were totally different. The code for the program was very very unmatchable to any language, I think. Yes. And it compiles online on remix Ethereum ID. So it was very hard to learn at that time, because I have not got any mentorship from there. I started learning from YouTube, from various channels. I will be giving shout out in the I will be talking about in the future videos. But I was not getting a proper mentorship, and for the 3 to 4 months I was just roaming around in this space, and nothing about what is the proper resources for that. Then slowly I discovered the proper path to go into. Previously I was not also into the web development phase. Then I got to know, for becoming a blockchain developer, you should also have a web development skill. So I learned front end development, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then I switched. Then I learned a JavaScript framework, React. I made so many decentralized application using Solidity. And tested using hard hat. Nobody knows. See, nowadays what is happening, that so many tech creators on the YouTube, like Didi and Bhaiya from Microsoft, Microsoft, Amazon, big FANG companies. The students are really admiring them. It is good to admire them, but only at a some extent, because because how much I know about blockchain, they do not know. They have not studied. They have not developed this. They have not studied the blockchain technology and the blockchain development, and they are just making fake roadmaps about the blockchain. See, you can also make the blockchain roadmap, but just you have to see 2 or 3 videos or and research on Google how to do that. Anything you can make, how to go into space roadmap also. Yes, just you have to Google it. Okay, so they are just manipulating the student into another field. They just want the views on their videos, and their the AdSense is running very awesomely on their videos, so they are making a lot of money from the fake thumbnails or the clickbait thumbnails. They are just putting n number of salaries, 70 lakh 60 lakh per year, per annum salaries on the blockchain development. These are just manipulating or diverting student from their actual career path. So in this channel we will be just talking about this amazing blockchain space and its future, how to do blockchain development, what are different blockchain there are several kinds of blockchain runs on different protocols, and we will be just more focusing on Ethereum and its solidity. We will be inviting so many guests from various companies to guide you and talk about this Web3 space, how to get opportunity in the Web3 space, how to do good work, how to do community work. See, I admire Kunal Kushwa a lot because he's such a great human being. He's one of my favorite creators on this YouTube, and because of him, I started this I've started this YouTube channel. We will be calling so many guests out there from various countries, and they will be guiding you towards this journey. So please subscribe to this channel, and see, sharing knowledge will increase your knowledge. If you share this video, you will be doing a good work for the community.